Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Katera Lachey. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Now, I know that you guys recently requested that I teach you guys how to create and get prepared to sell your digital products. So that is exactly what this video is about. So once again, if you haven't already, give me a follow because I know that y'all enjoy these type of videos. If you haven't already, check out the resources in my description if you want a more in-depth way of learning how to effectively create and sell your own digital product. All right, so as far as figuring out your niche or who you're wanting to speak to, utilize Google. I went into Google, I just typed in the top 10 niches or the top 10 most profitable niches of 2024. And then these are the niches that popped up. So pets, fashion, food, we love us some good food, all right. Travel, finance, home decor. Oh, I love some good home decor. Make money online, makeup, digital marketing, baby. You guys see everything. Right, so we see that these are the top niches for 2024. Look at the make money online niche. We see like how to make money online or online jobs. People are looking at how to create courses. They're looking at how to create converting content on social media. So this is a great way to get started to figure out what niche can I get into that's also going to make me a little money, something that people are looking for and something that's going to be like profitable for you. So then after this, what you're going to do is you're going to go to something called Answer the Public. All right, now Answer the Public is a great tool to utilize if you have not heard of Answer the Public before. I'm glad you came across my video. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for this good tea. Answer the Public. You'll type in your niche. So once again, I'm going to type in make money online. I'm going to click search. Answer the Public allows you to see all the top searches that people are searching for on Google. People are wanting to know, is it legit? Yes, it is. I will be the one to tell you. It categorizes these by when, what, how, where is what. That's what I'm trying to say. Like what make money online, what businesses make money online. Where to make money online in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, hit me up, I got you. Make money online for free, where to make money online fast. And so it's like showing you what people are searching for. So these can be content ideas for you when you get started up for your business, and you can utilize this website for any niche. So I can make a video about where to make money online fast. If you guys want that, comment that down below. As you guys can see, this is a great tool to utilize. It's showing you everything that you need to know to start making money online, and you can utilize these not only for your digital products but also for your content. Now, another way that you can see like the top searches for your niche, if your niche is really something that's sought after, you would type in your niche. So I'm going to type in fashion. I'm just going to choose a different niche. So we see that what's popping up is fashion style, Fashion Nova. So I mean, Fashion Nova is popular. Fashion designer, fashion songs, fashion show, fashion dress, fashion shoes, things like that. So these are also keywords that you can utilize in your content. Basically, this is going to help you find your niche. So get on Google, search what are the top niches, look through all those niches, figure out which one best fits for you. Go to Answer the Public, figure out what people are searching for within this niche, and we're gonna start making content about it. Okay, this is the first part of started to sell digital products. So now the next thing that you're going to utilize is something called ChatGPT. Now, if you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it is a AI software that can allow you, like you can ask them anything and they can help you formulate your business, your structuring, your content, anything that goes into making money online or with digital products. So what you're going to do is when you go into ChatGPT, you're going to ask them, first thing that you're going to say is like, you are a digital marketing expert. So you are a digital marketing expert. My niche is fashion. Please give me 20 digital product ideas that are popular within my niche. Please make sure that they are based on the top searches within my niche. And please also make sure that these digital product ideas solve a problem within my niche. That's very important. Base this also off of the top issues that are searched for to be solved within this niche. So you want to make sure that your product always does solve a problem. And then please put them in a table format. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. These are good. These are 20. So ChatGPT is going to come up with 20 things for you to create. All right. So you can do fashion styling ebook, trend forecast report, virtual wardrobe app, online personal shopper. I used to do that, guys. I love doing that. Fashion photography course. I love that. sustainable fashion guide, fashion blogging masterclass, ooh, DIY fashion design kit, body positivity workbook, fashion business blueprint, capsule wardrobe planner. Okay, so you guys see. So you will take these and you will then ask ChatGPT to help you. So say we're doing the fashion styling ebook. Please write out an outline for a fashion styling ebook. So it gives you two different outlines. You just kind of read through and which one fits you best. Like it says, right? So even if you wanted to like combine the two, you could do so, but this is how ChatGPT is going to help you create your digital product. So now we're going to go into Canva. All right, so now you're going to go into Canva. So what you're going to type in is you are going to type ebook. There's various different templates, and like most of these are covers, but some actually have like already done for you like templates like this one. So you'll go through, find one that you like. I just chose one for the sake of this video, and you don't even have to choose a template. You can create it from scratch if you want to. And since like this one has different covers, if you wanted to utilize this and put like fashion pictures right here, and even if you wanted to like whether you have your own or you also utilize the elements and right here, and so you see these, you can put one here, then put one there. So ultimately what you're doing is you're just customizing it. You're making your ebook based off of this and also the outline that you got from ChatGPT. So you'll take your time with that, make it really cute, optimize it for like your branding, make sure that it looks cohesive, real nice, real aesthetically pleasing, and then after that you're going to download it. So I'm just going to download this cover right here for the purposes of this video once again, and I'm going to download it as a PDF standard. So when you download your product, you're going to want to download it as a PDF standard because that's the best formatting for this, for your digital product. And you're going to download it. You're going to need somewhere to host your digital products. I personally like Stan. I do have a 14-day free trial for Stan, so that will be down in the description and you can check that out. But a Stan store is a great option because it allows you to host all of your processes all in one space. So let me just show you how to put your products in your Stan store. I'm not going to do a full Stan tutorial here, but I will show you how to put your products in your Stan store once you get signed in. So when you go into your store, you will choose create product, and then you will click on sell a digital download. So I also forgot to mention that you will have to also download the cover of your product as a PNG. So download the cover of your product as a PNG and then download it as a whole as a PDF. And so that way you can put the cover right here. Here is and I'm just gonna choose like the top. You'll type in fashion style guide, ultimate guide to, and then download now, right? Or you can put something else there. And then you'll go to your checkout page. So your checkout page, you will, like, once again, so put it up there and then you'll say get, or you can say, once again, the ultimate fashion style guide. And right here is where you put like a little blurbage of what your digital product is about. Guide is, so you'll make that very enticing, very nice, very cute. Okay, then after that, once again, get my guide. You can leave it like that if you want to, if it is a guide or a get to styling yourself today or whatever. Then you'll put your price. A lot of people struggle with pricing. I do have in my course program, it is linked in the description. It will help you as far as like ensure that your product is priced appropriately. And then the course is called the Ultimate Branding Course. You'll be able to price your product appropriately. So I would just say start no less than like $27 to $37, or you can do $20. It just depends on how much is in there. But I remember when we were in ChatGPT, it gave us a lot of tea. So if we're giving a lot of tea, even 47. And then if you want to discount it, and you can do like 20. Originally 47, it's discounted for 20, and you see it right here. You can offer payment plans through Stan, but that is only on the pro option. You can add, all of this is just for the pro plan. And of course you will add your digital product downloaded here. So that's where you put the actual product. You'll want to go to your email, confirmation email. Just make sure, like, it can be something as basic as this, or you can customize it. And then you can also back here add reviews when people start giving you reviews. Like, it's very good for all of these things. And then you'll click publish. All right, well, there was the full tutorial. I hope that you guys really enjoyed the video. I took the time out, like I'm really tired today. I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. And if you're ready to learn how to market and effectively sell your digital products or your courses or programs and effectively learn how to brand and market yourself on social media, check out my ultimate branding course in my description. It is the most effective way for beginners to get started selling digital products. You will also get access to my mentorship chat and a few items for free. You'll see that when you click on the link in the description. So I cannot wait to meet you guys personally. If you're ready to get started and you're serious about making a change in your life through digital products, because they've literally changed my life and y'all saw that in the video, I'm praying that they change yours as well. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Share this with your friends because I'm sure they want to learn this tea as well, because I'm always giving gems. I'm always giving the tea. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment in the comments what you think about this video. Did you like it? Do you want more like this? Or what are some other things that you guys want to see? Love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.